Hi guys, welcome back. It has been almost a year since I made a video going to Hot Springs. Well, actually not a year, I have some months. But I made a last edition was last year actually. And we went to the same spot, and the last video got 8,000 something views. It almost reached 9,000. So I say let me make another video in honor of the last one to see how much it can get compared to what. Yes, so I made a video last year going to the same hot spring, and I said let me just bring you all along. I'll put more details to it rather than just not say nothing. No,
You move me on some. Yeah, I think I will make.
Okay, so we reached and we're just sitting down there. I'm going to drink some. Look, it's coming. Eat like Elisha, and one drink, eh?
Go that way, let me show you the rest of the.
Food.
Good. Nutrition is very good.
I don't know. And I put on my arm too. It's nice on my arm. It's so good last time. Oh Lord. I say I must come after this again. It's dry, a little bit, but trust me. So it's probably good for it.
Okay.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, so it was really productive today. We had mud mask. I sure show you that in the video. Yeah, it was really a good time because I have been working for the longest while. It was just hectic, but I enjoyed it with my bestie and my other bestie. I don't know what he see, but I think he's seen a cow or something. He afraid.
What you afraid?
Open the tank on.
Glorious. See them 2 bags of snack in there.
I don't know if it's Sandy and you, 'cause where did you come from? Where did you come from, baby? I don't know if it's Sandy and you. Yeah, 'cause where did you come from? Where did you come from? Where did you come from, baby? Where did you?
We have stuff on the bayfront. I can probably give you like a sneak peek, guys. Should I?
I don't know if it's Sandy and you, 'cause where did you come from? Where did you come from, baby? I don't know if it's Sandy and you. Yeah, 'cause where did you come from? Where did you come from? Where did you come from, baby? Where did you
very tired. I went to walk down to go inside the house now. Today was a nice day. Honestly, I cannot be more happier than I am now because I can finally go take a nice rest and still feel the water on me. I'm going to take a bath first. I might not, you know, honestly. Still, the sulphur have my skin shining. Natural remedy is really better. Isn't it?
Let's do flop. Tell them we'll and come again. They can never break us up.